G'day campers, welcome back to Metro RV, and you're not going to believe it, we've got a Windsor, and it's a Sunchaser, which, look, it's just come out, funny enough, but 17 foot, older van, 1994, well, the previous owners had it for the vast majority of its life. Now the van is unbelievable, so we love old stuff like this that's just been cared for beyond comprehension for a lot of folks. But now the van's got a well, it's an old school track awning with a full annex that's in there, jerry can holder up the front. Now it's a 1994, external measurements of the van alone are 17 foot. Now there's one thing about them, it's well, not a huge amount of money, so 10,999 this van is, but has got we'll get to a couple of really good things inside. So it's had, well, we think some incredible upgrades. So other one that we'll point out, it's fully independent suspensions, springs and shocks, which, look, I'll tell you, that's another one of these companies that Windsor that got taken over. It's one of the greatest travesties in the industry. But we'll start with the main one. So we've got a very recently upgraded reverse cycle air conditioning. Now it's been fitted underneath one of the beds, and there's ducts that come out up the back here, and where else are they? There's somewhere else. There's down the bottom of the dinette here. Now the space in this van is next level. There's one thing with these single bed vans, they just feel twice the size of anything else. So a day bed and a dinette, and it's also set up some a table on a bit of a slide, which I think is incredibly well done. Now the mattresses in this thing are absolutely brand new and seriously great quality as well. Now there's not one watermark in this van. It's just incredible condition for what it is. It's just unbelievable. Also a very recently upgraded fridge freezer, quite huge, beautifully fitted there, so it just sits nicely up to the microwave. Storage in this thing is next level as well. There's overheads right round. He's had a beautiful chopping board sort of cover made for the sink. Nice big sink there as well. It has got a 4-burner with a grill and a full oven. Now there's one thing this thing has got, it's got the world's biggest, and I mean the world's biggest. They are just about a metre long. You get some stuff in there that's incredible. Now campers, we might have a quick hello. We gotta love stuff like this. Not a huge amount of money, 10,999, like, unbelievable. Just proof you don't need $1 million or a lot of money to get out and about. Metro RV, we keep coming up with some crackers. Let us help you get out of town, and thanks for looking.